Hello, I'm James Busgard, President of Nevada Exploration, and today we're reviewing the latest results from our South Grass Valley Carlin-type gold project, located south of Nevada Gold Mines' Cortez complex, and presenting our plans for our next phase of drilling. During the first half of 2020, we've added 17 new reverse circulation drill holes to significantly improve the resolution of our geologic model in order to look for the features that control the mineralization we discovered in our initial core drilling. When we review the results of our two drilling programs as a whole, what we're seeing is a typical Carlin-type geologic setting with characteristic alteration and anomalous geochemistry across several cubic kilometers of bedrock, which remains open. By integrating the results of our drilling and mapping with the data from our geophysical surveys, we believe we've established the primary source for the mineralized hydrothermal fluids responsible for these Carlin-type features, namely the Water Canyon structural corridor. Based on the intensity and zonation of the alteration in gold and pathfinder concentrations, there's strong evidence that the secondary lateral movement of the fluids through the district was stratigraphically controlled within a Cambrian-aged limey mudstone that we call the CLM unit. With a handle on what we think are both the primary and secondary controls for the mineralized hydrothermal fluid flow through the district, our focus has narrowed to where the CLM unit dips closer to the Water Canyon structural corridor, representing the geologically constrained target called East Golden Gorge. To test East Golden Gorge for Carlin-type mineralization, we're proposing a program of carefully targeted core holes designed to sample the full thickness of the CLM unit along a 3.5 kilometer length of the target. As we plan this ambitious drilling program, we want to highlight what differentiates the target from other early-stage projects in Nevada. Most significantly, compared to the size of the mineral systems hosting some of Nevada's largest deposits at the north end of the valley, we believe the size of the target and the scale of its associated alteration features support the potential to host an entire new district. Our next stage program is designed to test for both a flat-lying type geometry, similar to that of Goldrush, in our case associated with the stratigraphic hosted mineralization with the CLM unit, as well as for more vertical hosted mineralization, similar to that at Cortez Hills, associated with the breccia features we're seeing and the margins of the Grass Valley stock. To ensure the spacing of our proposed holes is suitable to test for this more vertical type orientation, we've placed them an average of 600 meters apart along the length of the East Golden Gorge target. As we continue to advance and de-risk this district-scale target, we believe strongly that in today's covered search spaces, geology is what drives discoveries. From the beginning, we've taken a systematic approach to building the geologic framework we're now using to target mineralization based on the latest research on the features and processes responsible for Nevada's largest Carlin-type gold districts, as well as by integrating new exploration tools. This is the exact geology-driven process being used by the world's largest mining companies, and we believe, based on our results to date, that we have the opportunity here at South Grass Valley to make a significant discovery at a completely covered and otherwise blind project that we discovered as a result of our industry-leading groundwater chemistry exploration program. And we invite you to follow our continued progress at www.nevadaexploration.com.